Now we will learn how to edit polygons. In the PCB editor, make sure the bottom layer is still the active layer. If net color highlighting is still enabled, we can press F5 to disable it, or leave it enabled depending on personal preference. For this training, we can leave it enabled to improve the polygon visibility. Navigate to the bottom of the board to the polygon that was created earlier. Left-click on the polygon to select it. If the first click selects the ground polygon for the entire board, click again to select the smaller hatched polygon. Hover over the right vertical edge of the polygon. The edge will be highlighted by a thick white line, and the cursor will turn into a two-way arrow. Click and hold the left mouse button. The cursor will become a crosshair, and the heads-up display will show that the sliding edge mode is active. Slowly move the cursor to the left to make the polygon narrower. Then release the mouse button. Notice that we are constrained to only the horizontal direction, ensuring that the height of the polygon is unchanged. A vertex can be added at any point on any edge of the polygon. Center vertices are also automatically added or removed as changes are made. Select the polygon previously created. Hover over the top edge of the polygon so that it highlights with a thick white line. While the edge is highlighted, hold the Control key, and notice a vertex box will appear. The cursor may need to be moved slightly to see it. While holding the Control key, press and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse up. The new vertex will appear on the cursor. Release the left mouse button and Control key to place the vertex and polygon outline at the desired location. We can delete a vertex in one step. Using the same polygon, left-click and hold a corner vertex. The cursor will turn into a crosshair, and the vertex can be removed with the Delete key, reshaping the polygon. While editing polygon corners, 3 modes are available: mitering to a segment, mitering to arc, and moving the vertex. Press Shift and Spacebar while dragging a corner to cycle through them. The status bar and heads-up display provide feedback on cursor position and the active mode. We have now explored how to modify polygons.